Hey guys, Guyanese Cooking with Rita is here once again. Today we are making a Guyanese style chow mein, veggie chow mein. We've got some mushroom, cabbage, carrots and sweet peppers. And we boiled the noodle, of course, and then we combined everything, let everything fall together. We have some fried chicken also. We're gonna finish it in the oven. It's already been in the oil for a bit. It's gonna finish in the oven. Alright guys. Roxy, you wanna give away your secret for your chow mein?
It's just green seasoning and just seasoning, and soy sauce and oyster sauce.
And Chinese spice. And a few other things. Let's see the top one. There's a look.
I need a little more to cook.
It's still got another maybe 10-15 minutes to finish up. Alright guys, cheers.